Hi, this is Peter Milford. I'll be talking to you today about eye tracking, particularly wearable eye tracking, where the eye tracking system is mounted on your head, probably in an augmented reality or virtual reality headset. And I'll briefly mention remote eye tracking, where the eye tracking system is probably mounted on top of a computer monitor or embedded in a TV or possibly even a cell phone. As we're getting started, when I give this talk in person, I usually do a quick audience survey. So today I'll report on some past audience surveys. So eye tracking isn't that common today. And even here in Silicon Valley, if I ask how many people in the audience have ever used eye tracking, either wearable or remote, even once, maybe at a trade show or at a conference, and the answer is usually a reasonable amount. After all, it's a talk about eye tracking, so people are interested. But it's not 100%, it's not 90% or 80%, maybe 50 or 60% have used eye tracking at least once. Then when we go into more detail, how many times have you used eye tracking more than 3 or 4 times? So more than one demo, maybe they had a quick use of a product that used it, maybe more than once. And maybe 10% of the people are left standing. And then how many people actually use eye tracking regularly? And typically there's a couple of people in the audience. They're usually people, though, who are actually developers of eye tracking rather than actual end users, which is something to consider. It's a statement about where the technology is today for eye tracking. So I hope to change that. I hope that in the future, we'll all be users of eye tracking.